The Eureka NEW200 all-in-one wet-dry vacuum cleaner and mop is a game changer for those who want to streamline their cleaning routine. This two-in-one powerhouse combines the power of a traditional upright vacuum with the refreshing benefits of a mop, making it a time saver for anyone with hard floors and area rugs to clean. If you're tired of switching between a vacuum and a mop, this tool could be the solution you're looking for. When it comes to performance, the Eureka NEW200 delivers an impressive 450 watts of motor power. This vacuum isn't just for surface dust. It tackles embedded dirt and debris with ease. Whether you're cleaning the sticky, stuck-on messes in the kitchen or dusting off everyday grime from your living room, this vacuum can handle it all. The dual functionality is particularly beneficial because it simultaneously vacuums and mops, cutting down your cleaning time and leaving your floors looking fresh and clean. A standout feature is the two-tank system. The clean water tank holds 800 milliliters, while the dirty water tank can hold up to 420 milliliters. This design ensures you're always cleaning with fresh water, which is especially important for hygiene. It means no more spreading dirty water around the house. Everything stays contained. This system lets you clean a large area without having to stop and refill or empty the water tanks midway through. At just 7.7 pounds, the Eureka NEW200 is lightweight and highly maneuverable. Thanks to its swivel steering, you can easily glide around furniture, into tight corners, and along cabinets, ensuring no spot is missed. This makes it a great option for those with homes that have a lot of furniture or awkward spaces. If you're someone who dreads maneuvering bulky cleaning tools, the Eureka NEW200 will be a pleasant surprise. The versatility extends to different floor types as well. The vacuum is designed for both hard floors and area rugs. You can seamlessly switch between cleaning modes, so whether you're dealing with smooth hardwood or a shaggy rug, the Eureka NEW200 has got you covered. Plus, the self-cleaning feature takes the hassle out of maintenance. Simply place the vacuum on the storage tray, press the self-clean button, and the rolling brush is cleaned automatically. No need to touch the dirty brush yourself. Perfect for those who want to avoid the mess of traditional vacuum maintenance. In real-world use, the Eureka NEW200 does an excellent job picking up both fine dust and larger debris on hard floors. It's equally effective at lifting embedded dirt from area rugs, though you'll need to adjust the settings when transitioning between floor types. The suction power remains consistent throughout the cleaning process, which is crucial for thorough cleaning, especially on hard floors where dirt can settle deep into the surface. The mop functionality also excels at removing sticky or dried-on messes, such as spills or tracked-in dirt. The two-tank system is particularly convenient. It means you don't have to worry about rinsing the water or changing the tank halfway through the cleaning process. You can go from room to room, knowing you're always using fresh water. For those with large living spaces, this makes a huge difference in time and effort. However, one thing to keep in mind is that the dirty water tank is smaller than the clean water tank, so you'll need to empty it a little more often, depending on how much you clean. When it comes to noise, the Eureka NEW200 is relatively quiet for a vacuum mop, making it ideal for households where noise can be a concern. It's not silent, of course, but it's much quieter than many traditional vacuums, which is a nice bonus when you're cleaning late at night or in a multi-level home. The self-cleaning feature works wonders, especially for anyone who struggles to maintain their vacuum. After a thorough cleaning session, you don't have to worry about manually removing dirt or hair from the brush. Simply push a button and the brush gets cleaned without any hassle. It's a great way to keep the vacuum in optimal condition without making cleaning any more of a chore. The only drawbacks of the Eureka NEW200 are few but worth mentioning. The cord length is average, which means you might need an extension cord for larger spaces. Additionally, while the two-tank system is convenient, it does take up a bit of space compared to traditional tanks, which may be a concern for those with limited storage. In terms of value, the Eureka NEW200 offers a solid combination of cleaning power, versatility, and ease of use. At this price point, it competes well with other vacuums in the wet-dry category, especially when you factor in its self-cleaning capabilities and multi-surface cleaning design. The convenience of not having to juggle a vacuum and mop is certainly worth considering for busy households, especially those with pets, kids, or high-traffic areas. When compared to similar models in its price range, like the Bissell Crosswave or the Shark Vac Mop, the Eureka NEW200 stands out for its affordability without sacrificing performance. As for build quality, the Eureka NEW200 feels sturdy enough for regular use, though it's not as premium feeling as some higher-end models. However, considering the price and its performance, it delivers good value for money. The maintenance is straightforward, thanks to the self-cleaning brush and easy-to-empty tanks, but long-term durability will ultimately depend on how well it's cared for. If you're someone who needs a vacuum cleaner that can tackle hard floors and area rugs without switching tools constantly, this model delivers. It's particularly great for those who value a quick and efficient clean, as well as people who don't want to waste time maintaining the vacuum. For the most part, the Eureka NEW200 is a solid choice. It's lightweight, effective, and easy to use, with a good balance of power and convenience. It's especially well suited for smaller to medium-sized homes, where the quick cleaning of both floors and rugs can make a real difference. If you're looking for a versatile cleaning tool that gets the job done without too much hassle, the Eureka NEW200 is worth considering. If you're a pet owner or someone with allergies, you might want to look for vacuums with advanced filtration, but for everyday messes, this one handles it with ease. The self-cleaning feature also makes it a great option for anyone who dislikes the messier aspects of vacuum maintenance. For a more detailed look, you can find a link to purchase the Eureka NEW200 in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and if you already own this vacuum, let us know what your experience has been like. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your cleaning routine effortless.